Okay, guys, welcome to bestspywareprogram.net. I want to welcome you to the PC Tool Spyware Doctor review, and here I'm going to show you a little bit how it works and why it's important that you install a spyware software right now. And the recommended tool is PC Tools Spyware Doctor, and the simple reason is it's been one of the best spyware tools for several years now. They're constantly updating their spyware database, and it's very easy to use. So the first thing you have to do is download it. You can just click the link below to download the PC tools. And if you're on YouTube, you can click or go to bestspyware.net right now, and there's going to be a link to Spyware Doctor, and it's going to be available for you. Okay, so my scan right now has found um, some advertising cookies and some adware advertising on my computer here. So what I just did was I made a scan, and also my computer immunization is on, which means my IntelliGuard here is immunizing my computer. That means that if I accidentally go on the wrong kind of website, the kind I'm talking about, and I get some kind of spyware downloaded on my computer, sometimes without my intention, then I will be protected here with IntelliGuard. And IntelliGuard basically is real-time protection from spyware. So if my computer were to be infected again, then IntelliGuard would remove that spyware as it's being downloaded, so it can't do any damage to my computer. Okay. The next thing here is we just did a scan and we find 2 threats and 89 infections. What we want to do is very simply, all I clicked here was I clicked the start scan here, and now if it's found these. So let's see how easy it is to remove these. You just fix the checked, you just continue removal here, and it would just process this, and boom. Okay, we removed 89 infections. Now the computer is safe, and it's as easy as that. So with basically one click, we could make all our spywares be removed with this tool. So it's an amazing tool and works really well. So here's some of the ways you'll be basically protected with IntelliGuard here. You get browser guard, you get cookie guard, you get file guard, immunizer guard, keylogger guard, network guard, process guard, and startup guard. What all this means is when you're browsing the internet, you're protected. If it downloads some kind of tracking cookies, that analyzes your computer and maybe sends some bad information to somebody, it will protect you against that. It will protect all your files, so that when you download a file and it's somehow infected with spyware, it would remove that. Okay, I didn't know what this one was, but it was against the ActiveX based threats, and these are basically again through your browser. When you download or visit certain sites, it can launch something called ActiveX, and that would be a threat because you can code those to attack your computer. So and then the next one is keylogger, which basically means that people install a keylogger on your computer, and you would be able to remove key loggers from your computer. So it's basically what this does is sends information to somebody for every keystroke that you type in, so they can steal sensitive information such as passwords, credit cards, and stuff like that. Network guard speaks for itself. Protect your network. If something were to come in, it would protect the Windows host file, the layer service providers, the domain names. I mean, this is advanced stuff here, but things that are very easy to be infected. Then process guard is basically all the software that you have open would be protected, and the startup guard is also very nice to have, because that means if a spyware were to be installed, you would be able to remove that with a click of a button. And this here startup guard will protect you from when your computer starts, it could automatically reload that specific spyware. So this basically removes all these files, startup files and shared task schedules, things that could basically reinfect your computer when you start it, because there's things that start before your actual software, but this would enable you to be safe when you start your computer. So this is basically the best all-around tool that I've found. There's some other ones on spywareprograms.net as well, but Spyware Doctor has been the best tool for a very long time, and I highly recommend this tool for protect yourself against spyware. And as you just saw, I just scanned my computer and it only found 89 threats, and basically here is just inspecting everything, and it will not find any threats this time around. So to go download, all you have to do is basically visit the link here on this video, and you can download this software. And I hope you really do, because it's a great software. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye.